Right here, we're at Bishop's Court Roundabout, and at the right side is Imo State University. This fence you're looking at over there and those structures are inside Imo State University. Okay, so we'll be driving from here to Geodora Estate so that you can take a look at the access road and see how the environment looks like. Okay, remember the last time I made a video on this road, it was undergoing construction, but right now you can see that it has been completed, and this road leads to Geodora Estate, although at a point the third road stopped. Okay, but the truth is that there are 3 government housing layouts around here, which are Orji Town Annex Layout, Unity Layout Phase 1 and Unity Layout Phase 2. These layouts are just behind Geodora Estate, and there is hope in the near future that the government will continue this third road till it gets to these layouts, which Geodora Estate will benefit from. Okay, don't worry, I'll show you everything. You can see the wideness of this road is simply passing the message that this is a double lane. It has been mapped out already, and this road leads to government housing layouts and Geodora Estate. That's why I said there is hope in the nearest future that the government will continue the third road till it gets to these government housing layouts, which Geodora Estate will benefit from. Okay? This is one of the entrance gates of Geodora Estate. So right now we are inside Geodora Estate. This building right here is the communal center in the estate where you can go and pray. This is the canteen, reception and security house. So let's take a view at the communal hall. All right, with what we have seen so far, I think this project has been 95% completed. It's just small interior and exterior works to complete it 100%. Right now, I'm standing on the sit-out of the communal hall. So let's take a view at the neighborhood. You can see how the neighborhood looks like. It's a built-up environment. At the front of Geodora Estate is Orji Town Annex Layout. At the left side is Unity Layout Phase 1. At the right side is Unity Layout Phase 2. You can see all these estates I just named are government layouts, and Geodora is just in the middle. Geodora Estate is an individual estate right in the middle of all these government layouts. This shows that there are potentials here. One day, the government will remember to develop this place. Besides, you can see the massive development that is on ground and is going towards this direction. Okay, so let's drive around Geodora Estate and see how it looks like. So far, a lot of people have taken possession of their plots by putting up their fence and gates. Some have started building already, you can see. This one has started building, and others as well. So I will still drive you around for us to see the development that is going on in Geodora Estate. You can see the duplexes by the left. It has been completed. You can see the ACs there. Means that the owner will park in any moment. It's ready for living, okay? And it's inside Geodora Estate. You can see this estate has been fenced right around and gated, and it's located in Uratta, which is about 7 minutes drive from Imo State University. So let me keep driving to show you how the other phase of Geodora Estate looks like, okay? We are driving in to another phase in Geodora Estate called London Exclusive. You can see the ongoing development as well. People have taken possession of their plots by putting up their fence and gates, and some are building already, okay? Let me show you a valuable plot here for sale. This particular plot is available. Let me show you where it starts. And it is 553 square meters, more than a plot of land. Okay, in size. So look at it, start from that beacon over there. It has registered beacon number. Okay, from that place, straight down to the road there, you can see it's more than a plot of land in size. It comes with power of attorney as title. It has registered survey plan and is selling for 9 million naira. Let's take a look around a bit. You can see this client is building already. So call or WhatsApp us now on 08060-766-340 for free site inspection, for more inquiries, and to secure this plot of land before it is sold out. If you like watching property deal videos like this in Owerri, if you like watching educative videos regarding real estate here in Owerri, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like the video and share so that when we publish videos like this, you'll be notified for you to watch and be informed, okay? Have a lovely day. I will see you again, and bye for now.